Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make healthy lollipops. First, select your natural sweetener. Honey or maple syrup are excellent choices. You will also need a small saucepan, a candy thermometer, and silicone lollipop molds with sticks. Make sure your molds are prepped with sticks inserted and ready to go, as the mixture sets quickly. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient process. Now let's get cooking. In a small saucepan, combine about 1/2 cup of your chosen natural sweetener with 2 tablespoons of fruit juice. Place the pan over medium heat and bring the mixture to a boil. It is crucial to stir constantly to prevent burning. Use a candy thermometer to monitor the temperature, aiming for precisely 300 degrees Fahrenheit, which is known as the hard crack stage. Once your mixture reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit, immediately remove it from the heat. This is the time to quickly stir in your desired natural flavorings. You can use fruit powders, a few drops of food-grade essential oils, or natural extracts. Work swiftly as the mixture will begin to harden. Carefully spoon or pour the hot liquid into each cavity of your prepared lollipop molds, filling them evenly. After pouring, let your lollipops cool undisturbed for about 30 to 60 minutes until they are completely hardened. Once firm, gently pop them out of their silicone molds. Store your delicious, healthy lollipops in an airtight container at room temperature to maintain freshness. For more great tips and deals, including a link for Darn Tough socks, check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.